Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to create a 3D model for exercise 13. Okay, so we have to complete this exercise. First of all, click on create sketch tool, then select the plane. Next thing is we will create a rectangle of 70 by 40. Rectangle, specify the center. Next thing is 70, press tab by 40, enter. Okay, and here we have to create two circles, one here of dia 10, another circle of dia 10. Okay, so the distance between these two circles is 50. Okay, and the distance between these two circle center is 50, and the distance this edge is 10. So right, and height from the base is 30. Okay, now we will create a rectangle of 30 by 15. Okay, 30 by 15. Okay, so this is 30 and the distance vertical distance is 15, and it is located 20, 10 plus 10 from this edge, so 20. Okay, now use trim tool to trim this. Okay, now use fillet, select these edges, and value is radius 10. Okay, next thing is use fillet here and here of R5. So 5, 5. Okay, next thing is we have to cut this two portion. So simply draw a line. Next thing is dimension. It is 20 from this vertical line, so this one, and this is 20, and it is vertically 20 from here, so select this one, and this is 20 from here. Okay, next is from here to here is 30, and vertical dimension is 20. Okay, next thing is we will trim it. Trim, trim this one and trim this one, and okay, click on finish sketch, home, extrude tool, specify the value 5, and then click on this OK. So here we have our 3D model of exercise 13. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.